OnePlus 6T is set to arrive with brand new features, but fans may not like the cost. OnePlus 6T is set to arrive with a score of new features that will differentiate it from the OnePlus 6 that released earlier this year. But it appears such functionality could come at a cost that some fans may not like. The OnePlus 6T is the successor to the OnePlus 6 and is expected to follow tradition by packing a litany of flagship features in a device that costs lower than all of its premium rivals. OnePlus 6T is expected to come packing a screen with a much smaller notch, futuristic fingerprint scanning technology and improved battery life. That is because images of alleged packaging for the device recently showed up on Weibo and appeared to display the outline of the forthcoming Android phone. A teardrop-shaped notch was presented, suggesting the OnePlus 6T will have a slightly bigger screen than its predecessor. Moreover, OnePlus has already confirmed the device's fingerprint scanner will be placed underneath the display, giving fans a new way to unlock the hardware. An engineer for the Chinese firm told CNET, "We unlock our phones multiple times a day, and screen unlock reduces the number of steps to complete the action. By adding this feature as an addition to other display unlocking options such as face unlock, users will have options to unlock the display in a way that is most efficient for them." OnePlus co-founder and CEO Pete Lau recently spoke with the outlet and confirmed such technology is not cheap. He explained, "Screen unlock technology is something very new and there's a definite cost required for that new technology." However, he said he believed OnePlus fans would adore the new method of unlocking when the phone releases later this year. Liu continued, "After you experience the screen unlock you'll fall in love with it. You'll realize that it's the experience that you wanted." Carl Pei, one of OnePlus co-founders, recently revealed the newest hardware from the Chinese firm will not arrive with a headphone jack. Such a move will surely disappoint many of the OnePlus faithful, but Pei emphasized the move was made to allow for new technologies inside the product. He also insisted the device would benefit from better battery life as a result. Pei told TechRadar, "By removing the jack we've freed up more space, allowing us to put more new technology into the product. One of the big things is something our users have asked us for, improved battery life. We're adding an adapter to the box, allowing you to use your 3.5mm headphones normally." Lau echoed the statements from Pei and expressed how difficult making such a decision was. He stated, "This has been one of the most difficult decisions for us to make." The pricing of the OnePlus 6T is current unconfirmed, however CNET previously claimed the hardware had a price tentatively set at $550, £423.84. The publication also insisted the phone would debut this month. If true, this means it surely won't be long before an official announcement about the Android flagship is made by OnePlus.